Om Namo Venkateshaya. TTD has made compulsory that from October 1st onwards we have to give COVID related certificates. In this video, I will explain you how to take this RT-PCR certificate at government centers for free of cost and how we have to take for paid swab test at private centers, and also I will explain you how to calculate these 72 hours of swab test and darshan test with age-wise details of this certificates which we have to produce at the time of darshan at Tirumala Tirupati. Till September 30, if you are going for darshan, they will not ask any COVID related certificates, so you no need to take test. But from October 1st onwards, they will ask whatever the darshan tickets you are having, whether it is Sarva Darshan, Special Entry, VIP, Seva tickets, you have to give COVID related certificate along with your darshan tickets. They will check at Alipuri checkpoint and also at darshan ticket checking counter. So now I will explain you by age wise. Children below 12 years no need to take any COVID related records. From 12 years to 18 years they have to take COVID negative certificates. From 18 years above, either they have to give 2-dose vaccinated certificate from which we have to download from COVID app, otherwise we have to give COVID negative certificate, that is RT-PCR negative certificate. For single dose, they will not allow you for darshan, you have to be vaccinated with double dose. To download this 2-dose vaccination certificate, log in into cowin.gov.in. So next page will open. In that you select the download certificate option. They will ask you to enter the phone number which you have given at the time of vaccinated. So that mobile number you have to give. You will receive one OTP number. Type that. Then it will take you to next page. Scroll down. Download certificate option will be there. Then from there you can download your 2-dose vaccinated certificate. For taking RT-PCR test, that is COVID negative report, if you want to take at private centers, you can go there at the early morning like 9 o'clock, whatever it may be when they are opening, which is nearby you. They will charge around 700 rupees or maximum 1000 rupees approximately, depends on the center. It should be authorized by government also. So maximum they will give the report in the same day itself. At the time of taking swab test, you please inform that this is for Tirupati Darshan. So same day they will give you the reports in person or they will send through mail also. You can download the mail of this COVID negative certificate. If you want to take this RT-PCR test for free of cost at government PHC center, just go to this government PHC center where they are taking this swab test. For example, if you want to take the swab test on Monday morning, just go at 9 a.m. So take your swab test. Within 15 minutes you will receive one SMS. You keep that SMS. In that SMS one link will be there where they have mentioned all the details, that is your sample collection date, your name, those details and all. It will be there. Just download that copy for safer side. At government centers, they will send you the result next day around 12 p.m. through SMS. If you received the SMS, there also one link will be there. Click that link. They will send you the report whether you are positive or negative. You download that. That is enough for darshan. If you didn't receive this result SMS, just download the link from the SMS which you have got after your sample collection test. Take that report, go to the sample collection center where you have given, meet the person who have taken this report, ask him whether you have positive or negative, because around 12 o'clock next day he will be knowing the result of yours, whether you are getting SMS or not. So ask him. If you are negative, then show the printout to the doctor available there. With the help of this person, ask the doctor for his signature and seal. If you are negative, he will also put the same thing, that is signature or seal. So now you can take this report. This is a two-way you can get from government center for free of cost this RT-PCR negative certificate. Now I will tell you how to calculate this 72 hours of this swab test and darshan slot. For example, if your darshan is on October 10th 10 a.m. you have to take the swab test on 7th same slot time 10 a.m. So your 72 hours starts from October 7th, 10 a.m. Another example I will tell you. For example, if your darshan date is on October 29th, 10 a.m. or you keep 12 a.m., you have to take swab test on 26th of October, same slot time, that is it is 11 a.m. or 12 a.m. So your 72 hours calculates from the October 26th of that day. You please check that, because next month holidays are coming. Gandhi Jayanti is there, Navratri holidays are there. So whether on those days these government staff are available or not, you please 2 days before just confirm with them. Also collect the details that when you have to come for swab test, which time they will give you report, those details and all you collect from them. So this is a way to calculate the 72 hours of the swab test, and till darshan slot they will consider only the swab test starts from the 72 hours. They will not consider the report you are receiving regarding this swab test. So I will tell you one more example. If you are you have the darshan is on October 29th at night 10 p.m. 8 p.m. like that, you have to take your swab test on 26th, same slot time, night at 8 p.m. or 10 p.m. But that time COVID center may be closed that time, evening, after evening. So you can take your report, your swab test on 27th also. If it is private center, same day they are going to give. If it is government center, you please inform that this test you are taking for Tirupati Darshan. So next day when they receive, they will also inform you immediately. Take mobile number from them to know the result situation, so that you can go and contact them if you didn't receive any SMS. So this is the way to calculate the 72 hours of swab test to darshan slot. If you are not able to calculate, you please comment in this video. I will also tell you how to calculate this 72 hours from the swab test. If you have any other doubt also, you can ask in this video. I think I'm tried my best to explain. If you have any doubts, again you can ask in the comment section. Thank you.